Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, I am Sakshi Gaikwad from third year of Computer Diploma in Zeal Education Society. Our project name is Study Any Trojan Attack, Identify Trojan Attack. Our group members' name are Sakshi Gaikwad, Shobhani Jana and Tejaswi Nalawade. Our guide names is Professor Kute ma'am and Professor Vijay Mohite sir. Project abstract. In recent years, the fast development of computer network technology has become an integral part of human life, work, and study. Because of Trojan virus, some major problems can face the users in network security problem. It introduced the Trojan virus loading and holding technology. It last part of focus on prevention measures. It puts forward responsible suggestion to users. Introduction. Attacks on computer of network are growing at alarming rate nowadays. This makes the detection and prevention of the attacks extremely difficult. They protect do not unauthorized action by the users. It carries out action that are specified by the hackers to exploit the system. The Trojan horse cannot run without the users of the system, giving the initialized permission since it is an executable file. Users did not run the executable in the system. Here is no way the hackers get access to the system. Trojan detect algorithm are classified into categories. Trojan is described as a simple executable file in the Windows operating system. We can use the properties to detect the purpose of Trojan horse. Next slide will be explained by Shobhani Jana.
Hello, my name is Shobhani Jana. Now I am explaining what is a Trojan virus. A Trojan horse or a Trojan is a type of malware that is often discussed as legitimate software. Users are typically tricked by some form of social engineering into loading and executing Trojans on their system. Once activated, Trojans can enable cyber criminals to spy on you, steal your sensitive data, and gain backdoor access to your system. These actions can include deleting data, blocking data, modifying data, dumping data. Next. How do Trojans work? You might think you have received an email from someone you know and click on what look like a legitimate attachment, but you have been fooled. The email is from a cyber criminal, and the file you clicked on and downloaded and opened has gone on to install malware on your device. When you execute the program, the malware can spread to other files and damage your computer. How? It varies. Trojans are designed to do different things, but you all probably wish they weren't doing any of them on your device. Next, how to recognize and detect a Trojan virus. Because Trojans are used as a delivery device for a number of Trojan types of malware, if you suspect your device may have been breached by a Trojan, you should look for many of the same telltale signs of malicious software. This may include strange device behavior, are programs running you didn't initiate, or are other unexplained process being executed on your device. Pop-up and spam interruptions. Are you noticing an uptick in the number of interruptions from browsers, pop-ups, or email spam? If your device is exhibiting this system, is possible a Trojan virus has managed to sneak its payload onto your computer. Enter any unrecognized file, names, or programs into a search engine to determine if they are recognized Trojans. Finally, if you haven't already, scan your computer with antivirus software to see if it has uncovered a malicious file. Next. Trojans can be classified according to the type of actions they can perform on your computer, like backdoor, exploit, rootkit, Trojan Anchor, Trojan DDoS, Trojan Downloader, Trojan Dropper, Trojan Fake, Trojan Game Thief, Trojan IM, Trojan Ransom, Trojan SMS, Trojan Spy, Trojan Malfinder. Like this, the type of actions they can perform on your computer. Now, next slide will be explained by Tejashree Nalaude.
Hello, I am Tejashree Nalaude. I am explaining the actual diagrams. Hardware Trojan attacks by different parties at different stage. IC lifecycle, CAD tool vendor, HWIP vendor, threads of Trojan attacks, insert HW Trojan in IP by IP writer, IC design house, insert HW Trojan in design by unstructured CAD tool designer, foundry, reverse engineer GDS2 and insert HW Trojan by an adversary in fab. Next. Overview of different protection approaches against hardware Trojan attacks. Countermeasure against hardware Trojans. There are three types: Trojan detection approaches designed for security, runtime monitoring. Trojan detection approaches, destructive approaches, non-destructive approaches. There are three types: logic testing, side channel, IP trust verification. Designed for security, there are two types: prevent insertion, facilitate detection, runtime monitoring. Next. Now the features: default DENI approach, host intrusion prevention system, HIPS, virus scope, containment, cloud-based behavior analysis, efficient white listening. Next. Now the advantage that Trojan horses have over viruses is that they can be much bigger. An upgrade of 1 MB is normal for most people, so a fake upgrade of 1 MB does not draw any attention. However, a virus that attaches 1 MB to every file it affects will draw a lot of attention. Next. Disadvantages: victim system's hard drive be unintentionally run. The more nasty ones can even crash your computer or delete your files and exploiting problems with software. Next. Conclusion: by analyzing the behavior of the system, injected the Trojan horse using process explore and packet analysis by Wireshark, this paper proposed a new detection algorithm for detecting the Trojan horses. Analysis showed that this method is more advantageous than using the static methods using digital signature. Next.